Gracie, and this is Rookie, and there's 2 gonna hatch today or tomorrow.
There is, isn't there? Here comes Harvey.
There's 6 eggs in there, but there's 2 babies getting hatched.
So hopefully they'll hatch.
Let's pick
Hopefully.
her up and show her.
Okay, just gently.
Okay.
Good boy. Yeah, look at that. Right, oh, careful. So hopefully later they'll hatch, or maybe tomorrow.